Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is a SIM ejector. They usually come provided in a box, but because I don't have one near me, I'll use this straighten out paper clip, which will work as well. So once you have that, you can then push out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So just press it in there and you will see that it pops out. And from here you have access to one SIM slot and one SD card, so place them each accordingly, like so. And like that. As you can see, make sure that they're laying flush, and then while holding them securely so it won't fall out, slide it back into the device. Give it a moment. So there you go. Oh. So this card is basically locked, so well, you can see that it's working, but I will have to take it out considering I don't know the code POOK for it, so that kind of messes up this. So yeah, I just put in the memory card itself, and you will see that there it is, so SanDisk SD card. So both of them are working just fine, and that is how you insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.